come to erudite political. So आज की short video में हम लोग discuss करेंगे about Article 1 of the Constitution of India. So Article 1 of the Indian Constitution basically talks about the name and the territory of the Union. So Article 1 describes India, that is Bharat, as a union of states rather than a federation of states. So why Indian Constitution chose to use union of states instead of federation of states? Because of the two reasons. So पहला रीजन ये था कि इंडियन फेडरेशन इज नॉट अ रिजल्ट ऑफ एन एग्रीमेंट बाय द स्टेट्स, और सेकंड रीजन ये है कि इंडियन स्टेट्स के पास कोई भी राइट नहीं है टू सेसीड फ्रॉम द यूनियन. एंड ऑल्सो यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स को इसलिए भी प्रेफर किया गया था सो दैट हिंड्रेंसेस को कम किया जाए इन ऑर्डर टू सीक द नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन सच एज कम्युनलिज्म, रीजनलिज्म, religionism, linguism, and also casteism. And also because the country India is an integral whole and it is divided into states for the convenience of administration. So this was about the name of the country. Then the next thing that Article 1 describes is the territory of the Indian Union. So basically Article 1 classifies territory of India into three categories. The first is the territories of the states, the second is the union territories, and the third is any territory that may be acquired by the government of India in the future time. Apart from that, petitions has also been filed so that in order to remove the name India from the entire Article 1 of the Indian Constitution, which says that India, that is Bharat, shall be the union of states. The petitioner seeks to India to be struck off from the Indian Article 1 of the Constitution, but the Supreme Court has rejected this petition, and also it was struck down by the Supreme Court in the year 2016. So I hope this short video was helpful. Then please do like, share and comment, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.